what's up? It's the Playback Boys, and today we are reviewing jhope chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup.
With a soda on the side. With Vicky G. And I'm Josh Kim.
I'm Josh.
Kev.
It's Double G.
Just you seen this before?
Yeah, I've seen this before.
True. Is that how it actually goes? Chicken noodle soup?
Yeah, I might be singing the Lil Mama one.
Oh, jokes.
Yeah, it's a song from Lil Mama from way.
Yeah, I think that's the
way
OG.
back.
Right.
We saw a little snippet in the guide.
Yeah.
Oh, so I know that I'm dancing in this 100% as I can see it already. Let's go.
Becky G.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. Hey.
Ooh.
Hey.
Skipping.
Hey.
Let's go, come on.
It's gotta be LA.
Oh, facts.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey. Hey. Chicken noodle soup.
Oh, that is how it goes.
Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
Okay. Gotta teach us this one.
Dancing is my cash, yeah.
Turned into a totally different song.
Yeah, for real.
Kind of sounds like Ariana Grande.
Yeah, kinda. Yeah. Got my hands. Yeah, the monsters.
We should learn that dance.
Yeah.
Like that's the easiest.
With the soda on the side.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Alright. You in Korean?
Rap it. Just rap it.
How small is Vicky G?
Bro, she looks small, bro.
She's 5 foot. Maybe 4'11". Go jhope.
They gave her a light little curry.
Okay.
Right, that delivery car's hard.
Yeah. Wouldn't see that here.
Nah, not even close.
Red restart.
Type here hard. It's gonna be red and white.
You say red restart? Yeah.
The low riders, man. Everybody stop bouncing. Give him the bounce.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Please break it down for us. Yay.
Okay.
Bro, the guy in the American Muscle in the back is going off, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey.
Whoa!
Hey.
jhope looks crazy.
Damn. Oh, it's bouncing now.
Does he have dreads or does he have braids? I don't know.
Wait, it's right. Twist, I think it's twist.
Bro, that car's hard.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah. Hey. Hard.
Whoa! He was spinning his head on the concrete, bro.
Man, you like 3 throws.
Hey. Let's get it, hey.
genuine reactions to the song.
Bro, that was almost like one take, except for the last part and then the switch up when it went to the air balloon. But yeah, but the last outfit that he had on, man, that made him look fucking cold, bro.
Yeah. Facts. So colorful.
Yeah, just a little, you know. What kind of song? What kind of genre is that, man?
Pop.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I'd put it on the pop side low key as well, bro.
All I know is chicken noodle soup stock just went up, bro. After this one.
But they sold out everything.
I reckon this.
When this dropped, they sold out everything, bro.
Shit sold out real quick.
Facts.
So I need the beef, eh? We don't want no beef.
I like how it was like pretty dancer focused in this one. I mean, based on the song Chicken Noodle Soup, it's a dance step as well, and it's an old song. But there was a lot of dancing in here. J-Hope was going crazy.
He's so good, bro.
Bro, I don't know what the hell wrong with this guy, bro. There's nothing, bro. Man, this guy is just every single time, bro. It's just something else, bro.
This guy's a vibe,
bro. Built different, bro.
This guy is an actual vibe, bro.
Yeah.
It's a J chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodles, bro. I think we should learn that.
J chicken.
'Cause that one's easy to learn.
Chicken noodles.
I can do that.
That's not even the OG dance. They switched it up for this one. The
Oh,
one
really?
with Little Mama, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken.
Oh, no way.
Joe's gonna have to teach us that one.
Yeah. I'm not even doing it probably, but like you're just gonna have to take my word for it, Army. Okay. Go look it up on YouTube then. Go search it up, bro. Don't come at me. Go look it up.
I like that line when he said whatever that city he's from is like his Harlem.
Yeah.
That's cool. That was cool.
You're cool.
Man was talking about how dance was what making him money.
Yeah.
Or like at some point. I was
Yeah.
like, yeah, I relate to that, bro.
Facts.
Yeah. Pay the dancers more, but
Yeah, run their money up.
yeah, run their money up.
The artists too, guys.
Yeah. J-Hope, we out here, man. We out here, man.
And when you're out, J-Hope,
See our video.
Anyway.
when you're on stage.
Oh wait, are we going back to back?
Yeah, back to back.
Oh yeah, well, I forgot. Bro, it was a live show.
Alright, so
Go on, shit.
Straight to the live show.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup. Okay.
Y'all ready?
Alright, chicken
I already know this song's gonna be fucking
Oh,
crazy.
where's that?
Ooh.
I want to if Becky
Oh,
G
different
comes out
dances.
as well.
The kids.
Yeah, the kids.
What the hell?
The other ones are kids as well. It's just Korean. Okay.
It's crazy. It's like a chicken. Crazy. What's that? What's that beat?
It's the Korean version.
Alright, guys.
Okay.
Wait, what the hell?
Oh!
No, wait, that's me.
He's rapping the Becky
Whoa, what
G
the hell?
Oh!
And Jin?
Oh shit.
Hey!
What's going on?
Oh, okay. I reckon
The song, bro.
They'd be like, I want to rap too. I just don't sing.
Whoa! The stage is a figure 8.
Hey,
Everyone's here.
Everyone's here. Everyone's pulling up.
No! Damn!
Come on, JK.
Damn!
This is a vibe.
Damn!
I like that fit.
Yeah, the glasses are hard. The glasses are hard.
That hurts shit. That hurts hard.
Bro, peep all their fists right now.
Yeah, they're on it right now.
Hey.
My favorite, that's the J-Hope fit. I love it. I love that hat. Or the beanie. Yeah,
Hey.
bro, I want to get one.
Hey!
Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
Man, I love that.
With the mullet.
Yeah! Jeez!
Who's gonna do the Spanish one?
His outfit's different to everyone.
You might just skip it. Bro, the triple earring is hard. It low-key feels like a whole different song, bro.
Bro, it's a BTS song now.
Okay.
Oh! This is John COVID.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah.
The Olympics?
Right outside the Olympics.
Oh, this is 2020, I think.
Ugh.
Hey.
Bro, they are so in sync in this one.
Come on, Jim.
Hey!
Hey.
Relax. Okay.
Hey.
Oh, of course. Hey.
Let's get it.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah. Wow.
That went from a J-Hope song to a whole ass BTS song, bro.
That was crazy, bro.
With
Dude.
no crowd and that much energy, that's crazy. They just fed off each other.
That's
Bro,
crazy.
not only that, like how you were saying, this has to be drone COVID because all the screens and stuff.
Yeah, 100%.
Definitely,
Bro,
definitely.
this whole, it's like a full setup of how they would do a normal show.
Yeah,
How much energy they give them.
know.
Look at the stage, figure 8 set up for the cast to be driving around. Bro,
Crazy.
these guys gave him a regular ass BTS like concert like it's nothing, even though nobody
the
was
only people
there.
that do this as well.
Bro, for sure.
Damn.
All for the fans.
Even while keeping 1.5 meters, bro.
Yeah.
But man, dude, and their fists were crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Damn.
Colorful ass.
Like usually V be coming in with the best fits, but hey, everybody was on point. My favorite fit was J Hope's fit. Cause it just stood out, bro. The chicken beanie, bro. Bro, I'm gonna have to get one myself, bro. Hey, when we do the dance, I'm wearing one.
Oh,
We should all wear it.
That's
We
you,
have
bro.
colorful
Yeah.
outfits.
That's crazy.
Another colorful wardrobe.
Yeah, it was crazy. I think I liked RM's fit.
Well, yeah.
I think so. But fucking
I like-
John
I like
Cook's
the
glasses though.
John Cook's
Bro,
fit.
it's crazy.
I like the shirt and the pants.
Yeah. My favorite was J Hope and Jimin's.
They all go hard.
But John Cook's glasses, bro.
Oh
Yeah, I
I
need
want that
those.
shit. I
Somebody
want
find them
that
for me.
shit,
Link them
bro.
in there, bro. We both need them.
Patty's
Yeah, yeah.
pockets.
Type shit, type shit.
Link, someone link me the chicken. I'm not even joking.
He's being serious.
I'm being serious. I actually want one.
Comments.
I'm not joking.
I also like because not all of them grew up as like dancers, but all of them have like you can even tell like Jin and like Sugar, RM and stuff like they've been dancing like very like well lately.
Yeah, they've
Yeah.
been putting in the work, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
I like to see it.
Sugar came in with the light one. He's
Sugar
like,
forced it.
It's like, alright.
he's like, I'll do it for you, boys. I'll do it for you. Yeah, I'll do it for you, boys. Just for
Only because I have to. The other thing that I peeped in this is Jimin was rapping.
Yeah.
Jimin was rapping.
That's right. He
Same as
was.
all the singers like V, Jin as well.
Well, even V was rapping.
True,
Yeah,
true.
Yeah, V came with the rap.
Yeah.
Rap, yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy.
That
It's
was
a
like
rap song though, like J Hope and
that was so unexpected, bro. Like,
Yeah.
I thought that was only gonna be J Hope. Like,
was
we should have read the freaking.
Damn, they're
Title,
spitting
but-
bars as well. Crazy.
I like the surprise.
I love how he incorporated everyone.
Yeah.
And they all elevated the piece, like the song in itself, to a whole different level.
They probably have a BTS version maybe.
That was it, kids.
Yeah, that was it.
That was the one.
Yeah.
You're the one.
And that was the Playback Boys reviewing Chicken Noodle Soup live.
PBB out.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And then post notifications on.
Ding.